Hello, welcome to Fishing with Joe. I'm Cassie. You're watching the hottest fishing show on the net right now, Fishing with Joe. You gotta love it.
Ooh, fish. All right, so there's something wrong with my rod here. Fish. Good one. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, that's a... When things aren't happening the way you want them to happen, you have to grab a hold of the situation and decide that you are going to change it. You are going to make it happen.
Need bait and tackle for your next fishing adventure? Visit R&R Bait and Tackle, open 7 days a week, all summer long. For over 100 years, our minnows, craws, and crawlers have caught fish or died trying. Call us for the latest fishing report and visit to see why we're the best in the Buckeye State.
Ooh. Oh my gosh. Huh? No, I've retied. I haven't even been fishing with it that long. Ooh, fish. All right, so there's something wrong with my rod here, because that wasn't supposed to happen. There is no way. There's a half a dozen fish that have seen this and went, nah, I don't think so. But they would have seen that tube jig and they would have went, that looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna give that a try. I may have to set in the bottom of this boat. Ooh, goodness gracious. There we go. He clobbered it now. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Swing them on in the boat. All right. All righty. Oh, that's a nice one. It is. All right. On some spinnerbait fishing in the early spring. I'm pulling the spinnerbait around these weed mats. And those fish are in about 3 to 4 feet of water. So when I find the ones in 3 to 4 feet of water, boom, that's it, getting bit. Gotta love it. Oh yeah, here you go. Going home. All right, it's windy today, so whoa. I got to not fall, stay in control of my boat, and try to get back out there. I got a lot more fish to catch. A lot.
Weld-Craft makes the most reliable, durable boats on the planet. All welded hulls and heavy-duty construction are the reasons why. With over 25 years manufacturing experience, you can't go wrong. That's why it's the boat Joe chooses to reel in the big ones. If you want the hottest boat on the planet, you better quit playing. You better get to Weld-Craft. Now let's get back to the fishing and fun.
Yeah, there's a ton of people who, wow, love to do that, man. Must be great. Hard work. Fish. Good one. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, that's a 4-pound bass. Ooh. Jeez. Oh. Oh gosh. It might be more than 4 pounds. Oh Lord. Lord have mercy. Come on. Oh, no, no, no. All right. Might be more than 4 pounds. Oh, yeah, it might be. That might be a little bit more than 4 pounds right there. Folks at home, I might have underestimated just a wee little bit. Wow. Gee, my knee Christmas. That's what you go fishing for right there. Good God Almighty. Oh, gosh. All right. So, when I started out today, I had some things going wrong. I was kind of trying to figure it out. Switched baits. Just couldn't get what I wanted to happen. And that's where perseverance comes in. When things aren't happening the way you want them to happen, you have to grab a hold of the situation and decide that you are going to change it. You are going to make it happen. And when you make up your mind that it's going to happen, then you change the reality of the situation, and things will happen for you. Oh yeah, that's how you make it happen right there. Oh yeah. Get a good close up. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Oh yeah. Going home. Thank you, Mr. Fish. Thank you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Gotta love it. That's a good one. That is a good one. Oh yeah, it's a good one. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on up. Come on up. Oh, that is a nice one. Oh yeah, that's about a, oh, I don't know. That's a good one. Very good one. Oh, no. That's a good one right there. Oh, yeah. That's a good one. Stumble around the boat. Holler a little bit. Celebrate some. But ow. That is a good fish right there. How big is that fish? All right, that's almost 9 inches right there. So, a couple of times and then a little bit. Maybe about a 19-incher or so. Can't argue with that. Cannot argue with that. Especially when they annihilate that bait. All right, one of them had a big bluegill in his mouth, or a shad. That one doesn't. But look at the size of that mouth. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. All right, thank you, Mr. Fish. Thank you, thank you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. Ooh, got him. Got him. It's a good one. Oh yeah. Nice fish. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. Oh yeah, he slammed that bait. Come on around here. Just looking at you. Ha ha. Oh yeah, he crushed it. All right. One of the things that I've been doing is fishing these rock points. And the rock points I've been consistently producing fish. If you're fishing in an area and those areas are producing fish, don't stop. Keep fishing those areas. There we go. Crushed that bait. Came up and crushed it. Oh yeah. Thank you, thank you. All right, all right, all right, all right.
You gotta love it. That's just all it needs to be. You just love it. Okay. Man. All right. Look, we're too busy messing with these lines and there's the fish again. Hello, welcome to Fishing with Joe. I'm Cassie. You're watching the hottest fishing show on the net right now, Fishing with Joe. You gotta love it.
All right, we gotta do it again because I was talking in the background.
Having a great time and fishing go hand in hand. We hope you enjoyed the show as much as we enjoyed producing it. If you have show comments and suggestions, please leave them in the box below. Subscribe and tell a friend about the show. Fishing with Joe, you have gotta love it.